Well, this is a very special edition of the Jerry and Dr. Laura show, and I just want to say thank you to my beautiful assistant, helper, partner in crime for sure,
Chief cook and bottle washer.
chief cook and bottle washer. No, we have a dishwasher for that. Of course, we're here at the auto shop in Plano, Texas, and it's been, we've had a great year. You can tell the lights are out. Santa and Mrs. Claus have sent all the elves home.
All the cars are tucked away in their beds.
Not a creature was stirring. We don't have mice.
Yes, for
We,
sure.
we have a great pest control company that we use.
Yeah.
What else can we say?
We want to thank our friend Henry Gentry for this really cool bottle of wine. This is
yeah, it's a Go Fast bottle of wine.
Gear
Look at that.
shift.
It's got a gear shift on it and everything. Holy guacamole.
It's really
This
fun.
is it's a fun bottle of wine, and thank you, Henry. We love you. And we have a bevy of things that folks have brought us, and it's really pleasant. It's lovely. We're grateful that we're able to help so many folks throughout the year. We're grateful that we've pulled it all together and stuck together throughout this year. It's really been interesting.
It's been a good year, and we really also want to thank our employees for doing such a great job
Yeah.
of taking care of our customers. And most of all, we
Thank
want to thank you.
for watching. Thanks for bringing your cars in. Thanks for supporting us.
Thanks for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for referring all the people in your lives to us to help with all the automotive repair needs.
Yeah, it's been great, and we just want to take a moment and wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Stay safe out on the roads.
Yes.
Look
Out for motorcycles.
Look out for motorcycles.
We'll be out there.
We will be out there tomorrow and Sunday. What else can we say? Thank you.
We
Really.
appreciate you.
Yeah, a lot.
And we'll see you in the new year. You can call to schedule an appointment 972-578-0588.
Or schedule it online
Online
at
at
www.theautoshop.com. Bye, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Wouldn't you know, the last episode of the year, there's a glitch.
We gotta have we gotta do bloopers. We gotta do a
We'll have-
takeout.
Oh, there's lots of bloopers. See you
Bye.
soon.